Allergies making your child miserable? Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rai. Today I'd like to talk about childhood allergies, an increasingly common issue worldwide. Allergies occur when a child's immune system reacts too strongly to everyday substances, like dust mites, pollen, or certain foods. While some children only experience mild symptoms, such as sneezing or watery eyes, others may face more serious reactions, including trouble breathing or severe skin irritation. One of the best strategies for managing allergies is identifying and reducing exposure to triggers. If your child reacts to dust, for instance, vacuum carpets and wash bedding regularly in hot water. For food allergies, read product labels carefully and alert teachers or caregivers about possible reactions. It's also essential to pay close attention to any unusual symptoms. Persistent sneezing, unexplained rashes, or frequent digestive issues could be clues that your child is dealing with an allergy. When in doubt, consult a healthcare professional. A doctor can recommend diagnostic tests like skin prick tests or blood work to pinpoint the allergen. In some cases, they might suggest preventive medications or therapies such as nasal sprays or immunotherapy. Above all, don't let allergies hold your child back. With consistent care, education, and vigilance, children with allergies can still lead healthy, active lives.